I'm in our appointment, right? I'm in carry baby with me for you, baby, with me. I said, Mommy, I said, me, I go in the door. I'm in there, I look the feet. Mom, look for me. And tell me, boy, and me, I go, if you carry me, pick me. No, man, you make me fucking sick. Nobody bomb again. Just me, baby. I want to have this. I'm working. I'm trying to work. Alright. Good. That's fine. Like this.
Mother is on the way.
Papa.
Oh yeah, turn him on live now. We just still on street.
Hey, baby girl, morning.
Morning. Come up here, sir.
Yeah.
Don't come up here, sir. Please, may I beg you. Please, may I beg you. That's Lord. Just don't come up here, sir. Please, me. Alright. Are you alright?
Yeah,
Me alright, mommy.
oh yeah, baby.
No, me I come.
Yes, sir, mommy, don't come up here, sir. Please, me alright. Be good. Mommy, don't come up here, sir. Just listen.
Mommy, me already there on my way, baby.
Mommy, don't come up here, sir. Me not even tell nobody nothing. I am gonna text you. Mommy. Alright, Daniel. You win.
Your mother call me.
It's alright.
Me not call your mother.
It's alright. It's alright.
I would never have been a mother.
You know that.
But the relationship over.
You know that. You know, if you can't tell me the relationship over again. The relationship over. When they beg you watch me baby, so me can't go to sit there. Tell me can't be baby with me. What kind of father you be? You have TV little man there. Just say you can't watch the little man. A TV little man, you can't look for that. You can't watch the little man. The little baby. The little baby. Strength in me, brother. Always a blood class strength in me. Always a strength in me. Me this man, me get up. And me, I look for those that come on the road. I want to look for fear. Me turn here, me say, not a fear. Me look for and I say, yeah, make sure you carry your picnic with you. Don't worry, man. Don't worry, man. Don't up on phone and call no mother and talk about, oh, mommy. I woke up blessed today. I woke up blessed. I just have myself into some crisis relationship. I'm too no man. They can't style me now. See, why not try to style me, bro? I never get up and try to style you yet. Everything good. Everything good, man. Everything blood clot. Good. I get up and me not style nobody. I'm me. Okay, man. Worry yourself. I'm in on a blood clot money. I'm in on money. I'm money. Big man. I'm I'm big bomber clad idiot, yeah. I'm big blood clad idiot, yeah. Oh my God, man, no, dog. Let's get up on now. One shot, me baby clothes. I'm saying, me get up this morning, and me think, me, I go make me watch it, baby, for me, and make me go on the road. And I turn to me and say, make sure you carry your picnic with you, Mr. Jesus. Right now, worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry. Everything good. I'm listen everywhere I go, but I never got people. No worry. You go tell me about my mother come here. I'm telling my mom, don't come here. And I feel me house. What's this? Now come here. Just make it steer me good. Buckle my stress them by myself. Do me thing by myself. Even if they say I'm a baby father, yeah, left me. I'm here for a family. And they say, baby. I need me, baby. I look bad. I need me, baby. I look bad. I need my baby. I look bad. If you take me, baby, I carry with me too. I'm done, brother. Oh man,
Yeah, mother, you call look.
that alone, you can't tell me. Annie, I call look for me. Annie, I call look for me. Annie, I call look for me. Daniel, yes. And Annie, don't come my people like yes. Annie, don't come here. Come back, brother. Come back, brother. I even want baby.
Just say no, man.
Fucking picking it. I'm picking it. And I don't want it for what me pity for me. I don't want it for the cat success. I don't want it for the cat success. Oh God! I need me, baby.
Keep him, collect him money.
This man look for me and tell me, say, make sure you carry your picnic with you. And when you say that, brother, me say, Jesus Christ, dog. Good up to this, dog. It's alright. Everything
What the
good.
relationship done, what you expect?
The relationship done, but the little man, the right, that's all.
The relationship
The little
done.
man, the right, that's all.
Relationship
That's why me and my man, I make up my mind, so I'm here. Ever respect me. Me look so dead, everything can love me for more than me. I have to have a relationship with my I'm gonna go begin with the motherfucker. I don't get it. I'm not coming to win it. You're 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 not coming to win it.
I rang me yesterday.
It's just one.
You see, you don't want me to touch him. You don't want me to touch him, but you have to.
Oh God!
You don't want me to touch him, but you
Oh
have to.
God! Me hate me life. Oh man, me hate me life, bro. Me hate me life, dog. Me hate me life, dog. Me got me separate some people, bro. One thing keep keep you till me gosh. Come my front I told. I say nah keep I and I pitney. Everything alright. Everything alright. I go. Everything alright. Everything alright. Everything alright. I go. Pick up in beg to 50. Get a job. I get 250. I may get 250. We go find one little place go see. It's alright. We go rent one little hotel. Me and the baby. Come. I don't know. Because I'm not there. Nobody put it. Me sorry for come up on the internet and tell him to shut up. Me sorry for come up on the internet and tell me. Me sorry for coming in one life with me lower life self. And lower your life. Me sorry to invite knocking dog shit like this in your life. Me sorry say you're there with such a stinking person. Dog bed, yeah. Big dirty dog bed, yeah. Big old Anna. All of them names. Me sorry say me coming in your life, bro. Everything that reflect for me, and the little baby. Me a junker, but the little baby, you call your son. All I did have to do is keep him. I just 1 hour and 30 couple seconds. You keep your son in your hand. Since me a bomber class table, you keep your fucking pitney in your hand. And me see a turn. When I tell me, say me have to carry me pitney, go back on me anyway, me go dog. Me bomber class, bro. Whenever they expect you to deal with me, your little son, brother. Your little son, your pitney. I only ask if you do watch him. That's all me ask of it. Watch him. That's all me ask. That's all me ask him. If you do just watch a little boy, me go do me lash and come back home. That's all. Now break up now. No for doing that this time. Daniel left me. Me feel ugly. And me just want to do it. Me just want to come inside. Because it's up myself. We pretty on myself. We don't like money. We asked Daniel for last time. He said, I have an appointment. And we said, yes, please. And he said, alright, go and do your thing. And we said, baby, you watch the baby for me? And he said, yes. Now watch the baby for you. Last night he come and they said we break up and all sort of Shalanga go and put it in and me think say that good a look and the baby and say yo give me pitney and go and go do what you do lady. Make sure you carry your pitney back on you anywhere you go. But it's alright. It's alright. Me not even get at this man. Me not get at this man. Me never did a cause nobody. But I read that in the comment section. Me never did a cause somebody. Only thing me get up and do a bar. And then me get up and do a girl. Me no mention no more than your brother. Me no mention no more than your brother. Why did you say this about Don't worry, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Me good, man. I really like to just to watch your son. They say, yeah, baby, watch the baby. Me go do what me I do and come back. And even that me can do. You see, baby, lay down on the bed and the first thing you come to me and tell me about Annie, come my yard, Annie, come my yard. Me never tell nobody to come on me yard. And then you go tell me about me mama. Me don't know what the fuck I go and come like a mad. They set me for fucking mad. You have me baby right inside the father. Take up your son, you want to hurt me, you fucker. My father neglect me. My father left me. My father left me. My father left me. And the little boy that right just in front of your face. And I don't even touch him now. You don't even touch the little boy, bro. Last night we couldn't even put him on to sleep. I don't even take up a baby. It's alright. telling you this year. Let me tell you this year. Me not do nothing to Daniel last night. Me cried the whole night last night. Me cried the whole night last night and me have like one total idiot. And me come to him and me tell him say me sorry. We sit down and reason out until he come back and tell me when he came me and yard and tell me say me a low life. Me a low life. And me said you would have got so far if you try to style me. Why you would have tried to style me? So remember see you take me up same way. You see me with up on the life until we done talk. Me get up in the morning and me say, baby, I go watch it, baby, for me. But me go fix up myself. Me not do nothing to myself. Me say, babe. And you wake up and say, babe, what you look for? Me say, me nah look for nothing. Same time, me look for 150 to go up on the road. So me go draw the money, me boom so and go pay the lady and do come back at me yard. You see me? Cause the last time me didn't want look pretty. You see me? And then me turn so, and me say, me I go up on the road. Daniel say, make sure you carry your pitney with you. Which baby father gonna tell her that. No, say, one appointment you fucking make you can't get the fucking pitney with you. And sabotage, blood clot, you make you feel fuck up, dog. I mean, no Daniel, bro. He knows that me can't get baby with me, bro. So at the same time, we just text the woman and me say, me sorry, me baby start cancel for me, bro. Me go out the door, go wash some clothes. Me go out the door, go wash some clothes. And me come back in. And I tell me, say, Anya come on me yard. Me say, oh, she come on me yard. Your mama come in your yard, so no worry. And he call him at the same time. Oh, mommy, I'm such a blessed person, blah, blah, blah. Me not trouble Daniel. Me not trouble Daniel. Every time me love somebody, and this why they do to me. I'm weak. I'm easy for me easy for freaking lash out. You see me? Cause me know in myself so me no do Daniel. No for Daniel that treat me so dog. Me text my best friend one day and me say, G, me want some help dog. If not help me go up on the road. Cause Daniel say, no, why me and go up on the road? Every time we go up on the road argument, bro. And me understand that and me keep to myself. All me ask him to do, watch your son. Watch your son. You go come to me last night and tell me, oh, pick me and a fear. And then this morning, you tell me about, oh, you go watch your baby. Me get up this morning. Make sure you carry your son with you. Drive off by your bike, go buy your weed, bro. Me not say nothing to you. Me sit down in that fucking. Me sit down the back and I wash your 2 pieces of clothes if you put on the fucking line since me can't go nowhere. And me they cry because me feel like weird, dog. And people are treating me like me not no sense, bro. People are treating me like me not no sense. A long time you want to get rid of me. Long time. Me not perfect, dog. Me not perfect, I swear. Most of the time them come and me lash out and me cuss and me feel like nobody not listen to me. This acting this a man and no. And he act like me never said nothing, bro. I like me a trouble him, bro. I mean not trouble Daniel, brother. Me not trouble Daniel, bro. Me not trouble Daniel, brother. Daniel feel me understand. So every time I try to get little attention from me, and then Daniel treat me like shit. Then I come up and me the disrespect him not all, bro. Only see this man get up and throw one bag of shit after me, and me I said, John was that dog you want to see me in a bumbo clock misery, bro. You see me? I come and tell him about this relationship now work. Dog, a long time you want this, bro. Long time. Me not even go class the body. Cause me a low life just like what you say. Elevate yourself up with good people that. You know not cussing with nobody. How me I say that? Your son. He baby for you say your son. Why you never take him? You just for a freaking hour make me go do what me I do. Still I wash your 2 pieces of clothes and put it on the line, brother. On the line. Him not go do that. And me I go do that. And my mother, that's my responsibility. You left him right us up on the bed and come back. Right us up me I come back. Come see chooks. Right us up me I come back. Come see chooks. Oh, but I don't love me, baby. I love me, at all. Come here, you know your son. You look like a pity them. You know, bro, like a pity them. Say, I love him. Oh, dear man. I love me, pitney. No love me baby. No love me baby. Me poor bumbo clad baby. Me poor baby. Me no know Father God give me pretty penny like you for. You deserve a rich bumbo clad mother. You deserve a mother of sense. You deserve a mother of sense. Bro, I want to get the fucking best life treatment I mean never get. Now I got you things to me, I got you on me, look at it. That's why me always depend by your father. I ain't gonna get us here. I'm 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 gonna get us here. Even if I left you, I don't look for the fucking people. I'm not going to put up my
Yeah, go on,
I don't want my father to left me. I'm not like people who pretend to get up this morning. They get up this morning, I'm not chopping it. I always say I'm going to break up, dog. I'm not chopping it up. Now, listen, watch it baby for me, please. Me, I say, carry your picnic with you anywhere you have go. And that, me the greatest of cry right now, bro. Never have to say.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry. You never did a business. You never did a business. Do everything what we have. You never expect a business. I don't say I'm up, bro. You never tell nobody to come. I mean, let me apologize to me, say. Let's say, boy. They say, boy.
Your mother called me.
Me not cuss you. Me not trouble you. Me already apologize. If you not take yes, so bro, so we can't do nothing. You already fucked up. I mean, just did I do a child look pretty. I mean, just did I do a child look pretty. Except watch the little man, your son. You say your son, and me say watch him.
You watch him.
Me got some booms. And you come right here, so you tell me, say, anyway, me and come, must carry me pick the way. And me say, Jaja, why would you look on me and say such a thing? No. Last night, I tell me, say, me, make you happy, go in the bush, go. Yeah. Now I feel like a bumble clap piece of shit. You know, you make people feel like them are low life. Bumble clap, dog. Never know me take you out from your rich life, bro. You never know say time when you have to go up and bush and go pick man, go and feed the little self. You regret everything. You look for everything. You say, look, you say, me, make you go in the bush. I'm gonna believe it, bro. And me alone head go over heels and me alone and take things personally and put it on my brain. You don't care. Look at thing I see, look funny and smile with him every morning, dog.